Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Hey, I was just ngakho watch story sasibeng indlela yami buhlungu. Usesi yangibhalela sithi usesi Nthapsing ngempela I was just bengisebenza like emall uthi yabona lama stores laba ngaphakathi emoto ukuthi sithengisa ama perfume nama sunglasses yabona uthi I was one of those girls ngisebenza lapho uthi afike vele this guy gentleman uthi afike kimi one day angibulise angibuze ngeperfume uthi angimtshele athi angifuna ukutesta ngizokuthi inuka kanjani uthi vele ngikhiphe his and hers uthi vele ngimsuse yamadoda the best besinayo imnandi uthi le ungayithengela umfazi wakho inuka kamnandi yabona what as a salesperson you know ukuthi you need to up your game ukuthi uthengise yabona uthi ungathengela le if unabantwana bamantombazana ama teenagers ungabathengela le cause inuka phansi uthi vele like hold the conversation naye uthi okay angitshela angibheke straight into my eyes athi mina nginamfazi shem and angina girlfriend what an abuda thing nice man unkamonati waberi monati arbona le gentleman kilobona so uthi ngithi how umuhle sobe futhi uqobezela uayinile nje ukuthi uayinela abantu no I've got someone who does that for me but I don't have a partner and ngimela because of being a baby perfume bengibona wena so bekhahlekile ngicela ukuthi ungipha ama number wami kilona so girl or me being a girl and me being obona bayana bala borata obona so uthi ngiyamchecka vele up and down ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo man thing so what's the problem Lord what I was like okay bala phansi 07 mang o brothers uthatha athi ngiyanazi leniseka ngifuna ukubhaza manje ngibona ukuthi le number iyasebenza yabona uthi angibhaze vele phone nami iring ibe over the counter vele phone nami vele iring athi okay ngizokufonela baby girl ushayisa isikhathi bani uthi hayi ngitshela ukuthi ngishayisa ngo5 athi okay ngo5 o'clock ngizokufonela okay sharp uthi umuntu ohamba uthi like at the back of my mind I'm thinking lo uzivela vele afuna udlala ngami kilobona ngayithatha serious into yethu uthi angisebenzele u5 vela shaya uthi exactly right 1 minute past 5 angifonele athi baby girl lo bhuti lo asisithi ubhuti uzamani Thapsing uzamani yeah But Thapsing uzamani uthi vele bakhulume amfonele vele amtshela ukuthi hayi ungikhahlile man ungikhahlile and bengathanda ukuthi ngikwazi better before ngathi ngiyathanda but bengicela ukuthi ngikwazi better uthi like ngibona ukuthi okay udecent mara abudo wanya kontseba phela ufatwa umbutso 100 okay let me give him a chance but nje ukuthi mina befuthi like ngiku situationship yabona so I think I do have time to let you into my life ungazi ukuthi umuntu onjani as uNthapsing yabona hayi uthi conversation iqale kanjalo kube ukuthi uqala vele ama calls ama long calls yabona things like that yabona uthi siyafonelana ngoba umnandi umuntu angithengele airtime ngithengele idatha yabona uthi isikhathi masiye siyaqala manje ngithumela lunch money uthi ngimona lelanga iperfume vele azangisibonane like so personally face to face yabona uthi hayi umuntu uthi no uzothenga idatha no uzothenga ilunch no uzothenga uthi okay nini ngimtshela ukuthi you know what I do have a wedding I need to go to eLimpopo yabona so I don't have transport in umshado womngane wami how about singahamba together yabona if you don't mind me asking yabona ukuthi ungikhaphana emshadweni I was like no say no more plus mina ngivele eLimpopo we can go yabona Actually, or okay, the excitement. Athi kimi ku guy athi okay lapho uyolala kuphi because uthi sekuyomngane uthi ayibis arrange ukuthi ngizolala kabo umngane wami. So I was like no, such a place, book a place then ungitshela ukuthi malini I'll send you the money uthola indawo and then make it a point that ukuthi if you need something ngitshele like ungasabo ngitshele yabona hayi uthi ngithi okay uthi le following day vela ngifonele athi mawushayisa ngizokumela mawushayisa sikhe sizikhiphe sokhuluma kahle niyaba yakho ukuthi ufuna uyiLimpopo hayi uthi mangishayisa la awushozi night gentleman or wabere shirt white yapholo uthakhile in wabere chino uthakhile in wagcoke nama ngabiza yini ecathulo lesi hayi zona leso lezi manje ezisoft izisweats ngikhohlele gama mara kona lokho ngizobamba so or I was with this abuti udecent urelechiscope unkamonati oriyazini uthi makakhuluma nje ngivele sengiyamelta ke manje sengingumelt zone kuyona uthi afike vele angichazele ukuthi okay so kufuna uhamba nini njani okay here's the money, find a place closer to the wedding and then ubooke ngizohamba nawe. Uthi okay awungisa excited ukuthi umuntu uyobooka yasibukela wona athi kimi athi so how much are you going to need for everything ozoyidinga for that weekend. Or I was sure yona extra abantu abasiphama 500 ikho one ngijwayele abantu abasipha imali encane so like I didn't think ukuthi angathi malini klo it's engene you know. So the guy was like Zamana was like no babe we don't talk like that. If you want something, stay with okay between range from this much to this much. I would any what's any go on. Yeah, but so okay, okay maybe 8,500 ngaba enough at for the hair, makeup, ne dress, ne ingubo for ne necathulo 1,500 over enough. So okay, I was like no like ucabanga uphamalini. Okay, I was like okay. Ngizoyiwalatela ke uthi ayisivumelane kanjalo plus imali accommodation plus nale like ya actually over the weekend but I was choose ivele be like that vele sihlangane sidle kube mnandi angikhaphela ngihlala khona ugayi angangeni ngihlala khona okay angikhaphela ngihlala khona awuthi makufika vele angangeni athi for now because I'm still trying to get to know you better ngicela ukuthi ngigcine like it ngizangena semina nawe sisazane kungcono you know one hayi sharp uthi like yo ngibona from that day hayi mara manje umuntu umethile ngeloyi mo hayi shame angikulunkulu naye ukukhahlelele someone you know what uthi hayi the following day ngisemsebenzini iwalatingeni ura 10k I was supposed to get 10,000 rand. Uthi angifonele athi le mali le ubook accommodation and then the rest it's yours for the weekend umshado uthi uziprepare. I was supposed to have angilenga half atatsiliwe asanga half like that in my entire life. All the child they were holy. Uthi amfefela. You know what? What I was supposed to say I go be mnandi like that. Hey. With saying is prepared weekend umshado if all I was nalmoto azang rabamu azanki mara 10,000 yo mara ngisilene mara stories with that abon mara 10,000 rand if ihlile uthi ayingisi prepare ngibe muhle on Friday lelanga le phone sambe ngalo angifonela athi kimi athi baby girl uzoshayisa isikhathi bani ngimsho ukuthi angizoshayisa ngo3 athi you know what ngizopick up ke mawushayisa uyendlini freshen up and then we can go. Hayi uthi kanjalo vele u3 ashaya umuntu vele ayithi 1:03 amfonela arke kondle ko parking or ke tsamaye or ke mkhwetsi ankemetse abuti ubila online sika shade ya hayi ukhathile unwa kamnandi uthi nasemotini kunuka kamnandi uthi ngizibuza ukuthi mara umuntu lo like ke umuntu omujwang why like he's always on point kamo umanidi kamo tseneka kule smart mara hana musadana girlfriend kanjani and nakona uboneng because I'm just an ordinary girl osebenzela emall ozithengisela ama perfume emall uthi ngibe nalose questions the most driver siya kwamendlini uthi vele mangifika lelo langa ke ubrothers vele ahlike angene ashows nana kwekudla ko one room all in one santi kotlhapa mo pele ha motho azangra irasepe ena ngeke ngihambe ngakagezanga yabona uthi vele ngifike ngiblaka amanzi vele ngithela amanzi vele endishini uthi brothers kinano ukuthi shift ngene ubrothers angashift brothers asashifta uthi ngithela amanzi like everybody go from my asking myself ukuthi inyokeza kanjani in front of this man but nise ukuthi you know what because of uyakombona uyakonsheva umoyena yakonsheva ngitlotlogela ke tla o irela show uthi vele ngithela amanzi vele ngikhumule ngibe nje uthi ngigeza or klona mothi afrasa phone where's the phone or klona mothi afrasa phone but the eyes nikakwani you know what mara na phone emo uthi ngiyambona vele uyangichecka uthi ngigeze vele ngicede vele ngibe muhle vele uthi how ngicabanga ukuthi maybe kuzoba ne-action inyane kulona like one for the road lona or brothers hayi angabi ne-action uthi kulona like otlola ukulelito so ore yabona movie ukuthi bayenza kanjani to seduce uthi ngithi ayo brothers asikhiphe serious ke lawo kani manje uthi ngigcoka ibra ngithi ngicela ungikanapele lana tu uri brothers akanapele kuphela ibra angeke nginjalo uma lesikhathi siphelile ngibuyile ngontapse ngibathu untapse ngo-Australia hayi umuntu vele ngikanapele ibra vele ngize ngigqoke vele ngibe right ngiziphosho ngicede athi baby asihambe kuzoba sebusuku or my and ngizibuza lo muntu lona umbone nje like am I not that attractive ukuthi lo muntu lona like ngibone reaction nje body reaction hore ikubona uthi like ngibe na those questions in my mind but ngiziphosho ngithi baby uyangihlonipha as a man like ukhuliswe kahle or hambi uthi cabanga phela ngiyosibukile solo sithula sibuke khona uthi nje ukuthi maybe like she's saving the best for last one go vacation house kulona uthi vele masifika vele kube indaba zokuthi ngithi okay bese siya amabheke and then sihambe sikuke bangamatha hayi or asostusereza mayibereka kuhabchomi aka vele sipolice and stuff like that I practicing any stepping yana and then from there ubi athi asamsolala mina sengikhathele uthi hayi vele sihambe uthi masifika endlini vele ngifike vele ngithi ko showering happy again ko showering ngisoka libona uthi okay awuthi athi ngisafuna ukufunda ama emails wami umsebenzini and then ngidloka kodikobu or awustozi ngaze ngadoza off umuntu azange uzezingubeni late ugeze mina ngilele wangena ezingubeni mina sengilele mangithi papa la umuntu usikalana empedeni or ngithi papa ngabo AM because like bengikhathele from work to step or to traveling and stuff like that uthi awumanga papa ma umuntu azange ngibamba bambe azange ngimuzwa ngibamba the whole night ke Friday rosama on Sunday uthi ngizibuza ukuthi okay maybe ke kusasa or maybe usangisawe klo maybe action izoba khona kusasa asichoza different day kube langa lomshado sikeze sethu uthi ngigeze ngicede mangibhizi makeup guy geza waphuma eshawareni agqokile uthi hawu kemakalo manje matata ikubona hayi uthi ekhaya sami sabe siladele emshadweni uthi sami emshadweni kube mnandi emshadweni la ngalishone sibuyela uthi masibuyela sibuke khona umuntu he uthi sisali masibuya vele ngikhathele ngithi baby ngikhathela uhleli yena e-couchini ufuna ama emails uthi vele ngisondlela ngisilalisela ukuthi ngikhathele ngiyawuzama sibhlungu yona uthi at the back of my mind I'm thinking ukuthi lo ngifuna ukumchabuza ngibona ukuthi ekuthanjani ngize negayla or ngize the straight kahle yabona uthi hayi vele uthi hayi angacabanga vele ngimuthi ngiroma or ke mtshware ka Roma o ke mtshware ka Roma or abutile na antshware back or antshware back re tshwarane ke lo or re tshwarane ka Roma awon or 1 + 1 asantsho go equals to 2 uplus angipushe angibamba athi no baby asingajahanga ayikwinto ngijahele in between those legs ngisisene isikhathi ukuthi ngikwazi awusho or kana ko mmelo wakho bethali hazard already guys ushapane hazard uyemethi yobona you know what like exceed mo 5 exceed mitori nje yo or awusichosi kube ukuthi vele iba kanjalo indaba nomtavazo no game stadium sinale batho but the players are the thing yabona what okay ngi understand ukuthi maybe usafuna ukungazi cala okay let me give it the chance ke ngajahile ke sadada ke hold my horses hayi uthi silale vele uthi masilala kube ngathi like ikubona like couple ya kudala sejwayele ukuthi lala together kube like that hayi Sunday sibile emshadweni after vele umshado vele sihambe uthi masihamba vele masendeleni athi yimi athi ngiyokudropa off endlini or uyolala kwami na uthi mind you awushows angikwazi mina kwakhe sangiye kwakhe yabona so uthi ngithi if uzokhona ngongibuyisa ekseni ukuthi ngikona emsebenzini it's fine I can go over endaweni yakho or awushows isihambe uthi masihamba uthi ngibona ukuthi side uthi sambe awushows urekenelele deep kule suburbs thing bano ngibona ukuthi mosimore yakhole mo uthi sami ayi uthi in this beautiful house kwegedini ibhazabhaza yegedi uthi umuntu akhipha amakhiya avula igedi ibule awusithosi hayi ngithi hayi ngistopele musilana uthi ivuleka igedi uthi mayivuleka ayi umuntu vela drive in ke drive in egarage avule egarage uthi drive in vela ngene ngaphakathi athi ungahlika mama uthi awusithosi hore kafloor like imagine myself ngisiwa from Leah one room all in one kundula kwa double story house uthi like singazipicture ngigqoke igown lace ifishana ngigqoke ne night lace ifishana isilk man ifishana ngigqoke negown isilk enama feathers la ngivulile floor phansi or ngiyazipicture ngalomzuzu or awushoze ngihlike mangihlike wathi kimi I want to introduce you to someone and then sizobona ukuthi relationship yethu which next level yabona uthi ngithi ubani lo uthi ngicabanga ukuthi mina maybe umzali wakhe or umntwana wakhe yabona athi uzombona uthi umuntu avula umnyango uma uvula umnyango kuvele umfazi a wife athi baby you are back agijimi ave amahaka amcabuza in front of me or I've never been so puzzled in my entire life uthi maka vela umama acede kumcabuza amahaka manje ubani lo brother was like no this is the girl I was telling you about uNthabiseni what I was choosing as was manje mina ngizoyenza la cause now umfazi yabona uthi uNthabiseni uthi hi sisi how are you how was the wedding yabona uthi ngibona almost more nekile topic nekile discussion that's why ubrother sibe angafuni yabona or like maybe because unale msadi uthi ngithi ngicela ukuya endlini uthi umama athi I know Ntabiseni ungawari like my husband told me about you so I know about the relationship yenu so don't stress yourself about mina being here indoda yami he's a polygamist uthanda vele abafazi and what is you're the chosen one so akitsebi arukwe na urabo tsebotse boya kupheshithe mo today yabona uthi ukuhlalwe phansi awushozi ukudiscussiwe ke uthi ubaba khuluma ukuthi lo mfazi wami umamdlovu lona uNthabiseni the person that I want to marry uthi Ntabiseni angamtshela ukuthi unomfazi because bengazi ukuthi angeke asavume so bengathanda kuwe mama ukuthi usiphe permission ukuthi uNthabiseni alalela namuhla and then sizokhuluma kahle ke emalangeni yabona hi sharp hayi uthi Ntabiseni umama vele amtshela ukuthi sikulungisele iroom upstairs uzolala khona ungahambisa amabheki hayi but the husband athi uzangilandela baby uthi awungilandele vele the husband uthi mangihamba la ngithi khani wayibonga ngitshela ukuthi unomfazi wangiletha la like without telling me ukuthi unomfazi why in uthi athi shh stress ungaphakathi don't stress yourself you're already inside or awushozi ngibemshadweni ngikhathele ne but like the way like bengine anxiety ngakhona ukuthi what's really happening kwenzakalani ngaloba wayiskele mwayitsotsi ngalomzuzu deep kuma rural kuma sengithi kuma rural kuma suburbs yaba ngalomzuzu ngiku deep kuma suburbs angazi nokuthi huge section cause angazi ukuthi ukuphi cause kibushiwo uthi okay ngigeze ke ngingene ezingobeni uthi mangene ezingobeni brothers eze the husband atsene kompito ngithi manje ulala nomfazi wakhe athi no I wanted our first time ukuthi belane endlini so please allow me ukuthi ngingene kula matha or I was just like I was shocked being surprised okay a little bit excited with finally but like being shocked ukuthi like the wife ukhona the same house naketlabe kitya di 1+1 is 2 nalo muntu lo or awushoza umuntu vele ashoso ubani vele seunje unje or phela banonke game we the players difihlile engirona stadium hona la bafu head banonke players difihlile itla ba pale game re bona ro tla wina man awushoza othiyo skatha swelile kazi ngizolatela sizocepelela sanibona ngezayo ngibuyile nguPatrick Nthabiseng emangiyenzeni recap kancane nakhumbula ngithi Nthabiseng was the lady bekasebenza emall lamantombazana lavona basebenza emall bandeni kuba nalabathengisa ama-perfume la ngaphakathi emall ama-storenyana lawa athengisa ama-perfume nabona ngisho. So bekuyintombazana le wahlangana ke nobhuduta uzamani waba interested in uNthabiseng wathi nakinale lokho Limpopo, is it possible ukuthi ungangikhapha na? Uzamani wathi okay ngizohamba na plus ngibile Limpopo ngiyakhumbula ngisho. And then ugelwa wathi okay shapro uzamani ukuthi solala kuphatha hayi bengithi mngani wami uzosiarrange indawo. Uzamani wathi no naketla go romela tšhelete gore book a place for us in akhumbula ngomthumela iwallet 10,000 akhumbula ngisho. And then from there kwayo emshadweni uNthabiseng okay from there azomcollect from emsebenzini bayirumini kagele ugelwa geza in front of Zamani press phone but lihlo lishebile mugele nakhumbula ngisho. But azangikwenze next canga ukuthi maybe wakhona i140 ukuthi azangiziyenzeke. uNthabiseng wagcina wathi uyasejusa athi iklobona yabona lokucubisa lokho aphuvule nenyawo azangisebenze wabathe bathi ngicela ungifase ibra azangisebenze nakhumbula kwayiwa down to the wedding afika ubrothers wakhe uNthabiseng alele the following day uNthabiseng wamuthi ngeRoma Saturday wamuthi ngeRoma hayi ulo wathi akajaha ke wathi gore nalona letseba nepile nakhumbula ngithi recap phela ngithi masinga ma important things lezini sifunayo. And then from there ngoba Sunday babuya ugayi basendleleni wathi is it possible ukuthi ngalala kwami again like what akakwazi kwakhe but wabali excitement or finally kuba bahamba drive yabayide wangenelela hey itselatseleng ka garam lihlari kulobona afike esilungwini kumasaba 5 marubutra so yabona afike esilungwini kumasaba bafika ugayi wakhe phisikiyo folekitata yakhumbula uNthabiseng athi wazipicture kuye lapha ku balcony agcoke inedress efishana ilisi ne silk ne le gown thing ya silk ya lace ya hoba leti feathers mo etelle nakhumbula ngisho. Mabafika bavula umnyango kwavela ubani the wife. Okay, I was like, I want to introduce you to someone. Kanti introduce akubani wife makafika knows mugel knows ukuthi uyemshadweni abuza ukuthi how was the wedding. Ugelwa bapuzzled ukanti manje kwenzakalani kulabona. Wife was like no so preparele indawo upstairs you can go. Okay, Zamani was like no baby follow me. Zamani wayana ye ekamareni nakhumbula ngisho afika ekamareni uZamani nakhumbula wabanje ngesudu kaJesu athi wabanje uNthabiseng yaphela lapha indawo ngisho sayiqhubekisa ke manje uNthabiseng ngor awusichosi uqaya ahlobola abaso makabaso athi no because of Nonali Stadium leba ku head but mabhadi nasihona hona no the player nayi player ikhona so akuvula stadium phela get ready or I was just okay ukhumulile umuntu lo like umbona from a structure umbona from mthini mara umbona from behind like ukhumuli like ukalipona ne but akangajikanga like gore ke mona because mina nikusale puzzled akathlobola kilobona ngisamangela ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani le wife ukhona ngapha indlu enkulu ngapha ugayina ngusibhutubhutu so yakhumula kilobona uthi ayi umuntu uthi makakhumulile like sengibona ibunu vele like le back part kagayi vele namabele uthi ngibona ibunu vele uthi ayi okay ke sale shocked but ke bona like go bona le bona la mona obvious umzimba wakho phela lawo yothi you know what ulobali that thing ukusashe biyazi izinto za nabo ngipha amazinga yabo mangihleka ngikhilo kanje ngipha amazinga ayi2 yazini ngiyakade kuziyokhipha one of you na even this one lizokuhlupha shalo ngoshetshikana de khero ngudimo hayi sukele mazingeni okay sharp so ulo bathini uNthabiseng uthi uZamani vele makajika or I was just a shock of my life uZamani makajika nisibize unalisibantu ispantu yini ngisho ispantu yini ngifuna just a wait engahloniphisa or motho ona le ispantu wena hana yibise kanjani hana dithulusi hana dithulusi una le ispantu uthi like ajike vele as a yimi like angibona ukuthi like ni shocked phela nginake expect lo ajika ngihlobona lento yabona so uthi akajika umuntu unespantu nina uthi like uyaza so to my direction uthi like ngimbheke so like ngibheka this part ne uthi kishebile that part like ispantu uthi nje ngimbheke ebusweni like angibona ukuthi ngishocked vele as a towards me athi no, the reason I called you here, okay, the reason I brought you here ukuthi I want to explain yabona ungazi mina before we can do anything yabona so I was just or melwa ka ne utlwile from 100 waya to 0.0 go like waya -0 uthi ngaba sho ukuthi ngiserekile msadi kena lespantu samana ba lespantu jwang iglo hayi shap usisi uthi yo so usisi uthi kena lespantu lespantu yo basayidas yabona so uthi zamana chaza uthi no mina I'm transgender ngisho laba basi transformer to from being a man to a girl angisho yeah uthi ngi transgender and then my wife she's a shemale angisho shemale ini yona lokho mani sizongihlangahlanganisa lezo sesifeli yabona so uthi what do you mean athi my wife ona leti thulusi nakna stadium so now I was asking you ukuthi how about sibene me you and my wife so ntwe batlang monna o tlo ikre komsadi ngwaka and go for yona mnandi so ngicela ukuthi have an open mind yabona for ukuthi simalawane nekamareni and then do the things C3 so that ntono ibatla go nna the whole weekend akhono offera yona nina ontapse awusithozi usingathi umdala ungakaboni angizwa ungathi uthi ya explain ukuthi lo muntu uhlala gqoka amasheta white uhlala clean uhlala gqoka malofasi ngisho icathulile sana ze-sweats zona lezo ngizibiza wrong zona lezo kuthi like yambona ukuthi like clean to like point ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ugay the way athi ngakhona uthi like yachaza ukuthi why about the whole time lo muntu lona all up to date stuff like that yabona uthi like engqondweni yami ngithi cause ngithabise or I was just listening because of gesele ngiyakubona msadi ya hawura about abarutlo ngikira ntike batlo ngo ngikira utlo ngikira yabona uthi ngivuma ngithi okay you can call your wife uthi zamani vela phakabe zamani vela hambe abiza unkosikazi uthi unkosikazi already like kulona to me ibe ngathi into bahlala bayenza cause like unkosikazi uze already agcoke irobe yabona engaphansi angagcokanga next so umuntu sebangenabo ithu so unkosikazi ufika kuhlala phansi so yasho ukuthi no ameshimeli ishimela ngisho ngizomcorrecta kuma comment yo nabona bathi vele usisi vele afike usisibhuti afike bathi makafika vele asho ukuthi no my husband in we transgender so I'm the one who performs ama duties wendoda embedeni but during the day he's my husband mina I'm the wife yabona so sisi uthi wait athi manje siwenza kanjani athi no relax if you want us ukuthelela a glass of wine sizokuthelela for you to ukama ama nerves wakho and then like we can start from there what else chose ne about curiosity kill the cat no lena because I want to see ntona lengibona bare utlomfa yona and utlomfa yona mona so it's okay I send pants downstairs yes chilling a bit get to know you better and then to London suppose a wine and then we will take it from there what I will say okay no problem what else chose go be go rapara le rope tsa rena re ya koka downstairs for us to chill gore khona o iragala ditaba tse di tshwantsho di iragale sanwana ngesa ho ngibuyile ngithabiseng zamani and the wife uNthabiseng awusithozi awuyithi wena uthi angishefise kamareni so they suggested ukuthi asame downstairs rona some wine and stuff like that kulobona hayi uthi vele sehle vele uthi masehle mastebisi uthi at the back of my mind I'm asking myself Nthabiseng wetsa eng o sa tsamaya o etsang uthi yey because of I wanted to see hore pila these two bantshwaretseng uthi ngahlala sayehle uthi asifika vele usamana athi you know what asamenza uhlala ngale ku pool area man siphila kazamane no the wife akude wife suthi ubani igama lakhe asinde wife uLindo ne simple name yeah it's Lindo uzamana no Lindo vele indlu yabo vele it's a beautiful house abona uthi athi asamenza uhlala ngale ku pool area but bathathe vele ispeaker esincane because initially the plan was bahlala endlini badlalise music uthi bathathe ispeaker esincane and then ba connect efonini base vele ne host bazi notshwala vele ijini ama mixers and stuff like that ne wine nama glasses bathi snack globona ba prepare snack uthi uyiwe ngale uthi hayi kuchilwe vele kamnandi hobe they get to know each other yabutse uthi hayi uqale vele uxoxa uthi uLindo vele umuntu obabli uvele wabona ikhuluma kakhulu and stuff like that uthi like it was easier for me to connect naye because of nami ngenalelelemi yabona so uthi sikhulume sixoxa kube mnandi like that or nakutse vele arwatsi bambo abari motho no sikunkodla gore una jang what's about motho na sikunkodla una jang or like you drink as fast as you can ukuthi ube tips or ube go blacking yeah or no le nna kinor because ke batlo ba go blacking nyana ha botse ngisifile ukuthi ngise blacking ukuthi whatever izoyenzeka ingayenzeki mina ngisoba you know what uthi hayi sichile boma 2 hours 3 hours so I vele uthola manje sebeyangena vele ku system siyajiva senza siyathweka or rira mihlolo ka ufela kumunandi uthi I don't want to lie ne ngithi abantu in uthi mina those two ngisipende nabo isikhathi kamnandi I don't want to lie boy two energy yabo ilaba yajela kwahlangana nami sabala you know what uthi hayi uqale ke masikuphul area sesingene emanzini ngisho manje because utshwala sebuyangenelela uthi vele aqame vele uzamani athi Roma kimi uthi nami ngithi Roma back what else does or man I can Roma like picture ela or ke bone spandu like kiss on it enze ke bethale Roma so uthi continuing in Roma uthi mangisenza Roma uthi the wife uLindo like ngisho like yimino zamani so bethale Roma uthi the wife angene but angene from behind me kuba ukuthi umuntu uyangi yenina ngiyarasa shemse elini njengoba ngivuse nabantwana yabona so okay uthi Antoar uthi kulona like umuntu ukise mo usana hana mali yawo Nthabiseng awusithozi kremadi uthi ngabona ukuthi nomuntu lo mina nahle ra connect yabona uthi bathi asithatheni phela sene kamareni or ke re say no more uthi kube ukuthi sesiyakhuphuka siyalandelana ke siyaphezulu yabona uthi masifika phezulu uzamana ubusy vele one like kuba yena ngari ki leader ikilobona uthi ngiyazitshela ukuthi lona mara khona una lespantu tlo ngetsang una lespantu ke batla ona lenye ala leng TLB tlo ngephangeka kwa TLB ngekupangore ke as the story ngifisa ukusikhuluma the way manje angikhoni kunamahloni yes nthosele letsang unibonile uthuso ntate thuso mtongo lo bona ndi 7 nthosele letsang nthosele letsang okay uthi awusithosi kube ukuthi vele yabona sihamba vele sithi kamareni zami na leader uthi vele ngijikisi kana nami ngijikisele to uLindo because Lindo kena na leng TLB ke batla yena pila because already wine le itse wine e jwang ngere wine le itse wine e jwang angeke ngikhuluma ukuningi wona to icherry uthi vele ngithi Lindo uthi Lindo vele ngimbambe uthi ke batla utlwa gore ha botse TLB e ke sa ismanye lokho uthi ngimambo yey awusithosi or phela motho tsere mochini and mochini o mo strong o ra ke re ke kry gore motho o na le motšhini and o mo serious gore like ke botse gore ke ba ya parelang ka ya bone lo clipper ya bone or maybe ke botse gore ke yona o ra ke ka utlwa ntina le heartbeat or ka utlwa gore ntho ena le heartbeat ke yona mo se ke motšhini e kile bona uthi yeyi awusitshozi hayi umtshini ungenzeni wakalindo uthi leso sikhathi umuntu unamabele ulindo but umtshini wakhe udlula amadoda amaningi la South Africa Nina hayi clap once hayi ntabiseng hayi clap once or awusitshozi I enjoyed myself I don't want to lie I enjoyed myself gore the effect gore be ke sa batla gore a fetse dibine ke enjoyile uthi zamane sengikhohlwe ngaye gore zamane ke lebetse veg ka yena gore ka ntle go na le zamane uthi makayenza so athi ulindo uthi amputse gore are you still coming back here or ngaleso sikhathi umshini phela hayi mali story ay ngekani or kana like I'm thinking to myself kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi umama onama njengathi but abe naye ikubona like mara bakhona vele South Africa abantu baso hayi mina ora awushozi umuntu amperokulla uthi aceda makaceda la uthi zamana ngibuza ukuthi are you happy uthi I was happy I don't want to lie uske motora I'm happy athi manje uyasivuma ke lesithembu sethu C3 kube into yethu every day uyavuma na and say I don't know what I'll answer you tomorrow man right so for now asilale uthi they slept together in bed no one or ebusuku uthi like balele like uzaman aphakathi then ngapha it's lindo then ngapha uNthabiseng uthi bushigo ngamathanyana so ukuthi ngicabanga into ulindo ngenze yona so this one I block success yami success ngapha uthi awusijose oseleka uthi ngijampe usamani uthi ngelindo uthi ke motswara the mission is tswara mochini uthi ke tswara mochini uthi usamani abona ukuthi le ntombazana le ilethe yimi la ngathi mara isafuni mi abona so or ke tswara mochini wakalindo uthi umshini kalindo vele uresponde nawo ubona uri mshini uenhle umutlo obereka yabona uthi mangibam angibhizi ngisora lindo uthi uzamani vele avuki ayodropini now zaza ngisho lezi abazitripayo lezi abazifaka so badiclipa la ngolitheke la ditseba ngere ni badala ngeke ngichaze yonke into ngizongibamba uthi uzamani yafa nenzani malo ye ora awusijosisa man ari ka bona ora no o re ke dihufa and zamana ke batle ntwe e etsang ke batle what is a man mayeza like after it went to go drop on 8 but right I was like no please give Lindo a chance nena ngiyabuya bathu zamani vele ezevele saqokele yanto leyana ngisho phela nayo ufuna ukukhombisa ubudoda so girl ufuna ulindo cause lindo akithi TLB irile mtholo kulowa so akabatle zamane na obatla lindi so uthi ulindo athi no give him a chance to him over and just is considered as a husband but athi give him a chance we explore wena like from different things kilo one so girl uthi okay like one uthi wenze whatever but like ibe asithing go kilo one nali go Lindo one uthi after uzamana yenza whatever ndibekathi uyenza awuyela kuLindo ayinthabiseki nayo yesithandela ngeke or ke ba le Lindo. So zaman abona ngwana o pila ke mtlisitse mo ne. So now she's attracted to this lady, and of which ke wife ya Lindo ke wife ya zamani phela. So bathi vele ayi uqediwe vele ekseni vele kuvukiwe kwenza kugesiwe vele kwenziwa ama breakfast. uLindo vele acela ukuthi ayi mina ngicela uhamba. Yabona ngicela uhamba. So uthi uNthabiseng man athi mina ngicela uhamba utshela uLindo noZamani ngicela uhamba. So Zamani was like, okay, I will take you ngizokukhapha. uLindo was like, nama ngisali asikhapheni phela uNthabiseng. So Lindo and Nthabiseng iba into bayenzile iba yabona. So Zamani was like, no babe, you stay and clean up angizamthatha. Lindo was like, no ke batlo tsamaya ke batlo bona hore o nna ko kae. Uthi vele bangikhaphe endleleni uthi saqoqa vele uthi I can see ukuthi uZamani kahle khona into ofendile kahle wafuthi ukuthi hambe sithi ahamba ngifake ikhotho yonke le ndlela, but naki enjoy yethi Lindo and ake batla solke ukuthi step back Zamani. Remember phela uNthabiseng ukuthi bekachama uZamani kabuhlungu kanjani because of ubone hore Zamani una lespantu hasa connecta le Zamani, so connecta lona link TLB. Uthi awushoze ayivele ngiyele endlini vele ngibe ukuthi vele bayafika endlini ayivele abona ukuthi ngihlala la. uLindo was like, uhlala ku one room. Yeah, namchaza ukuthi hayi phela mina ngisasebenzela ngisahola imali kahle ngikholi bayangibonga. Uthi Lindo was like, no, if you need help like ube la sizokuncedisa for you to find a place right and stuff like that. Usho uLindo uthi Zamani vele athuli angasho next. Ngibona ukuthi le kahle seyidla isikhwele yabona. Uthi hayi vele ngihlike vele ngiyenza ngingena endlini ngi-unpack izinto zami ngiloma unpack ngicede. Uthi hayi vele ma unpack kungena message efonini yami. Uthi guess from ubani. Uthi vele mangithi tla uvela kuLindo athi I had a great time now. If you don't mind we can repeat it. Uthi mugel azange ngisamosha isikhathi uthi ngaresponda immediately ngathi even tomorrow singayiqhubekisa le nqola yabona. Uthi Lindo athi okay, so ubatla bokae or last night. Okay, athi what do you mean? Athi no, the services that you brought endlini yethu, so bengibothi ufuna malini. So uNthabiseng uthi like yabona okay ba bebayinyuza ne or nakena nalenda connect or news. Uthi ngimbuzo ukuthi kanti mangize lapha endlini nangikhokhela na. Uthi no, because of window entsha like ngithanda nje just ukuthi ngispoile ngemali, so how much do you want? UNthabiseng or I was just thinking motore anything you can give me for now ngayilebo hell. Uthi okay athi tletle 5k or ke bona hore ga botse o wantosa ka tšhelete and nna ke batla tšhelete yes, but ke batla something else more than money yabona. So uthi okay sharp. Uthi uZamani vele kube ukuthi indaba zokuthi vele sofa ukuthi the relationship ichubeke. uNthabiseng or like I wasn't interested kuZamani anymore because I couldn't wazongilethela yona. Uthi bengasi interested, the only thing being interested ke uLindo. Uthi mina noLindo vele sicela sichathe like that, sichatha sifihlela uba uZamani. Uthi each and every time mina nogeli sihamba siyobhuka sifihlela abantu uZamani mangikhuluma naye kaningi sengipretend ngathi like semngane wami akasese like a partner. Uthi siyatshontsana mina nogeli ungithumela imali, mina nogeli siyatshontsana. Ugeli azagcina athi uhlala ekudeni nathi umuva close ukuthi mangikhona ukuphuma endlini ngikhona ubuya masinga yabona. Ugeli uthi ayi vele ngifune indawo closer to la bahlala khona not ekudeni yabona. So uthi mangifuna indawo athi kimi athi ngitshela ukuthi ufuna ini, I'll provide or awushoze wayana ko flatting yakhe uprovide everything. Uthi uLindo like uyikho konke empilweni yami. Ori ngitshela manje nje mina noLindo siwo relationship. uZamani vele ngamtshela ngathi indaba yethu I continue ayisakhona ukuthi iqhubeke because of mina like I'm no longer attracted to you and mina into enyenza nomfazi wakho mina nangiyuza for ispanto yabona. So I think ukuthi mina now let's break up. No itrip no ituphuma nempilweni yami angeke kusole ngibe ne3 msamsom every day ngilobona. So uthi silalisa ubani uZamani ukuthi angaboni ukuthi mina nalo siyabonana behind closed doors. Or awushozi mina nomuntu sathetana for more than 6 months uzamana angaboni next uthi the other day uLindo because of nice sohlangisa isibantu sami uthi as azosleeper over atshela uzamana ukuthi no I'm going to some girl untoni ngizobuya the following day kuzwane like that uthi umuntu azeflat indlama uzamana even know ukuthi ngimovile ngine flat and stuff like that beyangazi kanti uzamana bekabona ukuthi this one uyajola I want to see ukuthi ujola nobani so atreka imoto uthi awusijozi ngibonala izamani kumnandi kuyabanda singaphakathi sikhosi noLindo man I'm sorry or siphakathi endlini sikhosi uthi izwe ngenokomnyango uthi soyithusa asicabangi uzamani because uzamani doesn't know ukuthi ngovile sengihlala nakuphi asimcabangi uthi ngalowo mzuzu sise couchini sigcoke throw ke wine like sichile kamnandi kilobona uthi mangithi ngivula umnyango kuzokuthi ubani uzamani uthi like the shock on his eyes uthi like I was so shocked makathi ubona yimi amakathi emuva kwami ekhawuthini umfazi usekhawuthini kana ku egabere gown kekalebona umsali ugwale ukalebona uri awusosi ukushaya ongashaya uzamani lelo langa ashaya sinomfazi wakhe uthi like motho kila mpetha for ampetha nto engokisayitsebeng uthi wasishaya soyi2 wasishaya athi skipper bugobo bani but what I can tell you le hona no ke salina le Lindo le hona no research itela zamani and he doesn't know and Lindo she's planning her divorce zamani. Am I wrong for falling in love with the she lady? Nah. I see again in South Africa. But umuntu ungafaka ku relationship yakho ngoba ugcina ukuthi kube yena yokugcina. Thabiseke this lady leader should uyeka idzotha ufunda umfazi ukhipha idzotha kusale wena for the fact I angifuna ukufenda abantu mara hayi phela kanjani indaba Thabiseke guys uthi yena ngibuza ukuthi